Another installment in Troy University's Remnant Trust lecture series was held Tuesday afternoon. The topic was a tour from India in the 17th century. The speaker was Rabbi Scott Kramer from Montgomery, who was brought in to speak on the tour's importance in Jewish culture.
The Torah is very special to the Jewish people. It contains the 5 books of Moses in handwritten form. We read from this document in scroll form 4 times a week in our synagogue, and it's our guiding principles in life.
Beyond just the importance of the tour, Kramer was thrilled to see an item this old still intact.
This is a very special and rare item of something that was probably used liturgically by the Cochin Jewish community in India in the 1600s.
Kramer also works at the Alabama Holocaust Commission with Dr. Chris Schaefer and Dr. Dan Puckett.
Dr. Schaefer thought of me as soon as the Remnant Trust came to Troy. And the fact that there was a Torah scroll there, he asked me to come down and speak on this.
The next Remnant Trust lecture will be November 12th at 4 p.m. in room 129 in Bibb Graves Hall. For Troy TrojanVision News, I'm Noah Pevey.